Today, the Immigrants' Financial Freedom is a very important video for immigrants who came recently. And if you're one of them, you should ask yourself a question: am I US tax resident? There are a couple of IRS tests that will help you determine when you should start paying taxes to Uncle Sam. The first is called green card test. So if you entered the United States with a green card, or you made an adjustment of status to green card, you became tax resident from the day one. And even if it happened on December 1st, you still became US tax resident on that day, and you should pay taxes accordingly. The second test, called substantial present test, and you need to calculate number of days within 3 years. There is a formula that I'm going to show you a bit later in this video, and you literally input the number of days in my file. You calculate. If it's more than 183 years, then you are US tax resident. However, there are some exceptions for some categories who can prove that they have closer ties to another country. I'm giving you links in this video if you want to go into details of those cases. Also, I must mention that there are exempt individuals on certain types of visas whose days are not counted for substantial present test. For example, students on F visas, or diplomats or relatives of diplomats who are working in US. In my case, I spent in US sometime 20 years ago on J1 visa, and that was also the type of exempt individual under substantial present tests. So there are different types of visas, and again, I'm giving you the whole table and links to IRS site, and for each particular type of visa you can check whether those days are counted towards your substantial presence. Because if you are US tax resident, you must pay your taxes not just on US income but on worldwide income, and also file FBAR. I already made a video what is that, and please check it if you have foreign accounts with the amount more than $10,000 per year. Please like this video, subscribe to Immigrants' Financial Freedom, and let me show the calculator. As you can see at my screen, here's the calculator you can use. You gotta input your days for 3 years, and it will show you. In my case, you see, even someone spent 175 years in year 1, he still spends 3 weeks in year 2 and 3, so that makes him US tax resident, unless there is closer connection exception to the substantial test, which I'm giving you a link to. So here is about green card, and here about certain types of individuals whose number of days considered to be exempt. And here are tax resident status examples. By the way, I am not tax advisor, so this video is for educational purposes only. I was using it myself when I came to the United States in 2023 to calculate the number of days that determine my status. And again, just to remind you, you pay taxes on worldwide income when you are US tax resident. Please like Immigrants' Financial Freedom, and let me know in comments what questions you have about this calculator, or what other ideas for new videos you have for immigrants.